What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. So my boy gave me a call and unfortunately he was at a parking lot. Somebody was backing up or whatever the situation was. They hit his front bumper. So it wasn't a big issue. I told him to go to a local car wash up the car, bring the car to my house, and we're gonna try a different product. So I tried the Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0 and that was a magnificent product. It worked really well on my wife's Jeep. That video actually got 500,000 views. So I decided let's try something else right here. So I got this different product. We're gonna try to fix this little bumper imperfection. Alright guys, so we're gonna work with New Finish. So this is supposedly the #1 selling product as they advertise on the top of the bottle. So let me show you guys what we're working with. This is what's left after the car wash. You got a little bit over here. You actually have a little line right here. This thing, and there are minor things over here. Some things like this, they're not gonna go away because they're deep into the paint right here, as you can see. So we're gonna try to attack what I call probably the leftover paint from the other vehicle. So we have 2 microfiber towels. One we're gonna apply this on and rub it into it. This needs to be done in shade. Unfortunately, we're getting the sun out. But again, in shade, and the car needs to be completely washed. When he washed it up, a lot of the stuff already got removed because he went through a drive-through car wash and he wiped it with a towel. But let's try to see if we could get all of this out of the car, and if this is good, I'll link it in the description. Alright guys, so we're gonna fold up the towel. I'm gonna shake this stuff right here. I'm gonna put a little bit on the towel, and then we're gonna directly apply it to the paint, and then we're gonna wipe it with another clean towel. So I'm gonna do little rotations, circular, and then we'll clean it up with the towel and see what we got as a final product. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit here, a little bit over here, and I'm gonna start doing in circles. Put a little bit of pressure, not too much pressure. And then go back here, same thing. So you don't want this stuff to dry up. Over here, I think this one's deeper. But we're gonna keep making circular movements like this. And then actually, you know what I'll do? I'll just flip over this towel to a clean side, like this. Try to get all of that stuff off. Alright. So let's see what we got over here. So if we come closer, you see that this stuff is gone right here. But if we move over here, if we come closer, that right there looks like it's pretty deep. Yeah, that's not going away. Might need a nice polish, and you could probably get that out. But let's try another area in the bottom. Alright, so we have some more stuff, black stuff right here. Might as well try to clean everything up. So this is a scratch from hitting the a lower driveway or a curb. But let's do the same thing. So I put a little bit on a towel, and then we're gonna try to apply it on here and see how this stuff works over here. See if we could get any of this stuff off. So let me fold it up again, the towel. I put way too much over here, but let me try to see if I could get any of this stuff off. So I don't know if camera does justice. We had black parts over here that are gone. This one is deep into the paint, so this will probably need a touch-up, and that'll be it. So stuff like this right here, as you guys can see, if I'm going to bring the camera closer, that's deep into the paint. That will not come off. Alright guys, so I'll link this in the description below. I think it worked pretty well. One little spot didn't go away, but if you need this product, I'll put it in the description. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.